Today we wanted to show off one of the split cakes by Diamond FX. This one is called Double Dutch, and that is why we called this face paint the Double Dutch face paint. So the split cake by Diamond FX is a 50 grams split cake. It is one of the big split cakes, and you can put it on the skin using a sponge like Simone is doing today. So the colors are blue, white, pink and purple, and they look absolutely amazing. So once the base is on there, Simone continues to the Ava brush and double dipping flowers on the skin. So the colors used to double dip today are white by Diamond FX and the plum color by Superstar. Onto a different kind of flower brush. This is called the Poom #1 brush, and Simone is double dipping blue and white with this brush. And as you can see, the shape of the petals are different with a round brush than with a flat brush. Some curls and swirls using the Snow Patrol color by Superstar, a lovely metallic dark blue color that really looks wonderful in any face paint. A few swirls and curls with white by Diamond FX. Finally, of course, some stars and some dots to complete this design. A dark purple metallic lipstick, and with that our Double Dutch face paint design for today is done. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.